Psalm 91 prayer will heal you in one night, because when the Word of God fills your atmosphere, it carries healing, peace, power, and restoration. And when you allow this Word to surround you, as you rest, it begins to move beyond the surface and into the deepest parts of your being. It flows into your mind to silence fear. It flows into your heart to release peace. It flows into your body to restore strength. It flows into your soul to bring calm, because Psalm 91 is not just a chapter. It is a covering, it is a shield, it is a fortress. It is a declaration of faith that says you are not alone, you are not unprotected, you are not vulnerable. You are under the shadow of the Almighty. And as you lie down tonight, and let this prayer continue through the night, the very presence of God is surrounding you like a shield, keeping away every arrow of fear, silencing every voice of doubt, breaking every chain of heaviness, and lifting you into a place of rest and peace. And even as you sleep, His angels are encamping around you. His Spirit is moving within you. His Word is working for you. His promises are manifesting in you, and His love is covering you. And while your body rests, your spirit is receiving life. While your mind dreams, your soul is being refreshed. While your eyes are closed, your heart is being strengthened. Because prayer does not stop when you sleep. Prayer continues. Prayer works. Prayer creates. Prayer heals. Prayer restores. And this Psalm 91 prayer is like a shield through the night. It is like a fortress around your house. It is like a light in the darkness. It is like a song in the silence. It is like a whisper of peace in the middle of the storm, because the one who dwells in the secret place of the Most High will rest under the shadow of the Almighty. And under that shadow there is no fear. Under that shadow there is no harm. Under that shadow there is no destruction. Under that shadow there is no sickness that can prevail, because the covering of God is greater than any attack. The promise of God is stronger than any fear. The hand of God is mightier than any obstacle. And tonight, as you allow this prayer to fill your environment, you are stepping into that covering. You are living in that fortress. You are standing in that protection, and you are resting in that promise. And while you rest, chains are breaking. While you rest, burdens are lifting. While you rest, healing is flowing. While you rest, peace is multiplying. While you rest, strength is returning. Because the Word of God is alive. The Word of God is power. The Word of God is healing. The Word of God is restoration. And when that Word is spoken over your night, you cannot remain the same. Because light always drives out darkness, peace always drives out fear, faith always drives out doubt, and healing always drives out sickness. And as you keep this Psalm 91 prayer filling your atmosphere, your subconscious is absorbing faith. Your thoughts are aligning with peace. Your emotions are settling into calm. Your body is being renewed cell by cell, breath by breath, heartbeat by heartbeat. Because God is watching over you, God is keeping you, God is strengthening you, and God is restoring you. So do not fear the terror by night. Do not fear the arrows by day. Do not fear the pestilence that walks in darkness. Do not fear the destruction that wastes at noonday. Because He has given His angels charge over you, to guard you, to protect you, to lift you, and to keep you in all your ways. And no evil shall befall you, no plague shall come near your dwelling, no weapon shall prosper against you, because you are covered by the blood, you are shielded by His word, you are surrounded by His presence, and you are kept in His love. So even as you sleep tonight, know that you are not sleeping unguarded, you are not sleeping unprotected, you are not sleeping alone. You are under the watchful eye of the Almighty, under the wings of His covering, under the shield of His promise, and under the strength of His Spirit. And when you wake in the morning, you will not wake the same, you will wake renewed. You will wake refreshed, you will wake restored, you will wake healed, because the prayer that surrounded your night has changed your day. The word that filled your dreams has changed your reality. The presence that guarded your rest has changed your future. And the peace that calmed your night will continue to calm your steps. So keep this Psalm 91 prayer filling your nights again and again, because every night you rest in it, your spirit grows stronger. Every night you soak in it, your heart grows calmer. Every night you breathe it in, your faith grows deeper. Every night you hear it, your body grows healthier, because the word does not return empty. The promise does not fail. The prayer does not lose power, and the presence does not fade. So rest now in confidence, rest now in peace, rest now in healing, rest now in His love. For the one who promised is faithful, the one who speaks is true, the one who covers is mighty, and the one who loves is eternal. And tonight, in this very night, through this very prayer, Psalm 91 will be your covering, Psalm 91 will be your fortress, Psalm 91 will be your strength, Psalm 91 will be your healing, Psalm 91 will be your peace, Psalm 91 will be your shield, and you will see, you will know, you will feel that one night in His presence, one night in His word, one night in His covering is enough to change everything. And this is that night, this is that moment, this is that prayer. This is your time, and this is your healing.